Hello folks, Jay Austin from Woodworking Blues. The last video I made had no volume, so I deleted it. It was my first construction run of pallet wood in a crate that I asked permission for, and I went and got. So right now, I'm going to show you some of the wood I got and what I'm going to do with it. This is some of the wood I've already taken the nails and screws and staples out of. You can see some of this is really good wood. Very good wood. That is pine. That is sanded. Really good wood. This is the pallet wood. You can see it's a little rough, but still very good wood. I got real lucky, folks. I found a lot. I asked for permission and got permission to take this wood. So if you do these construction runs, this is my first one. It was a construction site near me where we live, and I asked permission to take this wood. What I'm going to do, guys, is I don't have the time. I have a real job, a full-time job. I don't have the time to pull these nails and staples and screws out. Some of this split up as I was separating two pallets. So we're just gonna make it a little bit more serviceable. So might as well demonstrate my 4.5 inch Rockwell circular saw, compact circular saw. I have one video on him already, but might as well do another on him while I'm doing it. So let's get it. What I've done, folks, is just make this wood usable without spending a whole lot of time pulling nails, screws, and staples. Yes, I lost a lot of wood, or little wood, but I saved a whole lot of time. He needs to be cut down more. Again, I'm using my Rockwell 4.5 inch compact circular saw. A great little gift from my lovely wife, and I really like him. Look into him. Once again, folks, this is some of the wood I've already stripped the nails, staples, and screws out of, and that's a lot of wood. It's a lot of free wood. We're going to go outside real quick. We're going to go to the patio now. My 8-year-old son and my 4.5-year-old daughter are my lovely assistants. You will follow me now to the patio. Go. Where's the bus? Good. Alright, I'll put it down, buddy. Okay, folks, again, I found a construction site not far from me, and they tossed out a lot of pallets in a crate. So this is just the wood. The rest of the wood I've gotten, hard to see, but the crate had a lot of 2x4s, majority 2x4s. The rest was this stuff here, 3.5, 3 but 5/8 and 5/8. Maybe that 4x1s, a lot of 4x1s. Had this incredibly long 2x4, yeah, 1x3 runner. Really pristine, perfect wood. So anyway, guys, that was the video that I had to leave because I had no volume, and it was too long anyway. So that's it. I'll show you all this wood once it's broken down, cut up, and all the nails, screws, and staples removed. So hope you like. But if you do a construction run, this is my first wood haul, free wood haul from a construction site with permission. Don't forget that. It was a good run. All this stuff will go into some projects I've got planned for this spring and this summer. Mainly a fort for the children, maybe some other little fun projects. Until then, Jay Austin from Woodworking Blues. Keep on woodworking.